Whenever we study big data analytics, the first and the most important part concerning numericals is going to be MapReduce. So now in this video, I have this very important question that has been repeated quite some times in the exams. So let's start and see how we can complete this. So this is a standard MapReduce question. Usually they do give a matrix, but in this case they have not. So this is the first matrix M, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second also has the same elements, but this is going to be a 3 cross 2 matrix. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we apply the general formula for one step MapReduce. I comma k is one element, and this is basically key value pairs, right? So this is the key and the value is going to be whatever is the name of the matrix. So I'm keeping this M over here, M comma whatever is the J value, and then whatever is Mij. For n, this is going to be I comma k again, n comma j comma n j k. So this is the only important thing that we have to note. Here M is going to be Ij representation and N is going to be Jk representation. So what J is for M is what K is for N. I hope this was not confusing. Anyways, let's get started and solve the question. So for M1 1, the value of it is equal to 1. So that is going to be, keeping this formula in mind, I is 1 and k is equal to the columns of n. So we have got two columns. So I'm going to write 1 over here for k equal to 1, and then for k equal to 2. I value is going to be the same. Then this is m. The value of j is 1 over here, and M11 was 1. So this is the first tuple ready. Similarly, M, the value of j is same 1, and the value of M11 is 1. For M12, the value is 2. So this is going to be 1 comma 1, that is I comma k comma m. The value of j in this case is 2, and the value of M12 is 2. So this is the first tuple. The second tuple is 1 comma 2. So only the value of k changes over here, rest everything remains the same. Similarly, M1 comma 3, the value is 3. This is going to be the value of I is 1, k is 1. In the second iteration, the value of k is 2, and then m, the value of j is 3 in this case, and the value of Mij is 3. So this is done. Similarly, we solve for the second row. So in this case, the value of I is 2. So M21, the value is 4. I value is 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. M, the value of j is 1 and Mij is 4. M22, the value is 5. So this is going to be 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 comma m comma 2 comma 5, m comma 2 comma 5. Similarly, M23. I hope this was clear. Now this completes the entire calculation for M matrix. Let's move to the N matrix now. This is what the matrix looks like. N is J K. Okay, remember this. This is important. The formula is going to be the same. I comma K as the key, and then N comma J comma N J K. For N11, the value of I is going to change here. So I is going to be 1 and 2. It's going to take two values. The value of k is 1. This is going to be n. Value of j is 1 and njk is 1. Let's move n12. So n12, the value is 2. So this is going to be 1 comma the value of k is 2. So this is 2 comma 2. Next tuple, key is ready. N comma the value of j is 1 and the value is 2. So n comma 1 comma 2. Next is n2 1, because see there is no third element here in the row, right? N2 1 is 3. This is going to be the value of I is 1 and 2. The value of k is 1. N, the value of j is 2, and the value of the element at row 2 and column 1 is 3. So n2 3. Similarly, I'll complete the entire calculation and be back.
Hey guys, Drashti here. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, okay, back to the video.
Okay, so we have completed the entire calculation. So the map part of one-step MapReduce function is completed. Now we have to move to the reduce part. So in the reduce function,